how I felt when I lost. A real soul lose, turned to a shark, no bad cool. Shooting up parks, don't aim at the students, they don't got shit to do with it. I remember when I didn't have bands, couldn't pull her and her bougie ass friends. Now I pull up to them hoes in the bed. She gon' fuck on me and all of my friends. It's me and Kyle and squeaking the wheel. I'm sipping the six with a gun on my head. Thinking back to them days when I had to hit it. In the trap, no sunshine, feeling the break. We ain't know how to act. We ain't know how to act. We was pouring no green and had back since the act. Just Zanny on Zanny was sleeping in school. Wasn't passing my class cause I wasn't that active. I had designer from Robin car crack. Used to lie to them hoes and say I was car crack. Cause the hoes in my school only fucked on car crack. Also on the block telling me them niggas fat. Started skimming school daily to go to the big. My slut told me these burn niggas envy the shit. They obsessed with the violence, the killings, the villain. They don't know they could die from the shit they come with. I done seen both worlds, so I know I got wit. I did dirty, my brother influenced the shit. But I ain't wanna be buried or be in jail with these niggas. So I finessed the system. Got rich off of freestyles and half of a reader. Really shit I never wrote.
At the end of the day, it gets packed into surprise bags. These bags are then listed on the app for less than half the original price. All you have to do is open the app, reserve one, and pick it up at the time set by the store. Let me tell you, I was so excited when I got all of this for less than half price. So go ahead, download Too Good To Go and see what's available near you.
S'il vous reste au moins 10 € sur votre compte, vous devez absolument essayer. Allez, c'est parti, on lance Chicken Road et je vais jouer avec vous. Maintenant, je vais vous montrer comment on peut multiplier ses gains sans prendre trop de risques. Allez, mon petit poulet, on y va. Le jeu est gratuit, sans pub et l'argent arrive hyper rapidement. Oh, mais j'avance bien. Allez, je retire. 925 €, c'est la première fois que je vais aussi loin. Et regardez le message de ma banque qui est déjà là. Regardez, l'argent est déjà sur mon compte. C'est incroyable. Franchement, je suis trop contente. Le jeu est aussi simple que possible. Je recommande au moins d'essayer, ça vaut vraiment le coup. En fait, les nouveaux joueurs reçoivent un nouveau bonus de 450 € immédiatement après leur inscription. Le lien est juste en bas.
Spend it all, make it all back. Make it all, find out where her hotel at. She can take it all. Watch her as she takes it off. Louis Vuitton, dime bras, prima donna draws. It's getting hot in here. Won't you take off your clothes? I feel like busting loose. I'm not Nelly Ho, yeah. Throw a party on that ass, throw confetti on it. By confetti, I mean different color money. I keep more than honey's coming. Oh yeah, I got pounds, I got bills, I got chrono. I got pesos, I got euros, I got chrono. I got green, I got blue, she got red, no. She got red from doing all the white, oh. Protect the car steer, my vision blurry hell. But no, I am not scared, you know I do not care. The cops, they on my trail, the cokie derriere. You better not tell them tell. Midnight here we live, we a bunch of trouble kids. Screw fuck the scholarships, we won't acknowledge it. We need acknowledgement. Motherfucker better pay respects. I'm playing on cello, smoke cigarillos, and elbow to my tech. I done made out the ghetto, stay out the ghetto forever. I'm done with that. If I go broke, I'ma rob these Hollywood folks that ain't coming back. sure she takes it all. Louis Vuitton, dime bras, Madonna draws. It's getting hot in here. Won't you take off your clothes? I feel like busting loose. I'm not Nelly, oh yeah. Throw a party on that ass. Throw confetti on my neck. By confetti, I mean different color money. I keep more than honey's coming. Oh yeah, I got pounds, I got bills, I got chrono. I got pesos, I got euros, I got chrono. I got green, I got blue, she got red, no. She got red from doing all the white. Oh. Hey, boy. Yeah, I get high in the memory. Yeah, shut the fuck up, I can't concentrate. Yeah, if you try me today, you gon' die today. On my knees, I've been praying for birthdays. Got the meter, it's a shot to fade away. Yeah, I be working on anything. You be swallowing my dick, and she proud of me. No one know me, now bitch is surrounding me. Ain't no know me, I will never change. Oh, no, my niggas that really stay down for me. Double R SUV in a Range Rover. I'ma pull up, I'm doing a high speed. Wizzy, I made it, I'm gonna kill it. Go ahead and bury it. I got my gun, I'm gonna move it and carry it. I love the money, so whichever marry. Don't know how to act, I feel like a barbarian. He don't want beat that nigga vegetarian. Got with a silence like a librarian. I be the reason all these bitches staring. She swallow my kid, not good at parenting. Pay me 150 for a parents. I got a Lamborghini from the dealership. If I don't buy a car, put it on my wrist. Working rentals like Popovich. Shooting like Stockton, ain't nobody stopping me. They fucking watch. Ain't no telling what they gon' do. She ride my dick like a witch on a broom. When he walked in, we smell bitch in the room. Hey, shoot that dude. Blah, 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 coming out that tube. Yeah, I get higher than a Marine. Yeah, shut the fuck up, I can't concentrate. Yeah, if you try me today, you gon' die today. On my knees, I've been praying for brighter days. Got the meter, it's a shot to fade away. Oh shit, yeah. I be working on anything. You be swallowing my dick, and she proud of me. No one knew me, now bitches surrounding me. Ain't no new me, I will never change. Oh, no, my niggas that really stay down with me. Double R SUV in a Range Rover. I'ma pull up, I'm doing a high speed. Link. Good drill, fuck nigga. Cooking with the pots, how long it's cooking with them pots, how long it's walk hard in my soda, take me home. Kobe trying to tap in on my phone. That's why me and my niggas speaking code. Had to show up in Alaska, it was super cold. Brought a Montclair for it, I ain't even put it on. Had to show up in Chicago, I ain't back home. Let the same old Dodge trying to blow up my phone.
think that's a scam when you literally just admitted to making money? For anyone who doesn't know what they're talking about, I made a post about me trying this new app. I'll tag the account. They have a link to the game in their bio. But yeah, you can try it if you want. Yeah, clearly it does work. You just need to play your games longer.
I don't believe that. They're actually gonna pay me for playing games? Yeah, girl, I'll just play. These apps never let you hit the minimum payout, though. Just Play has no minimum limits, and you can literally cash out like every 15 minutes now. Until they hit you with all those hidden fees and subscriptions, right? No fees, you literally keep what you earn. Is it just some points or some weird crypto wallet, though? Real money, straight to your PayPal, or you can even get gift cards from places like Amazon, Walmart, or Target. So, what's the catch? Why would they just give money away? There's no catch, they're just splitting their profits with players like you. Alright, fine, show me then. I bet it takes forever to earn anything on here. I played for a bit earlier this morning and my balance is $12 already. Do I have to pay anything to join this? Nope, it's 100% free, and if you join through this video, you can get bonus starter boost still. Alright, fine, you got me. How do I start? Just tap the ad, play for 15 minutes, and see how easy that first cash out is.
I can't help but to stop and stare. I ain't no grizzly, so I can't bear it. Her lips graze my facial hair. I think I would make a wonderful parent. All these niggas my sons anyway, oh yeah. Falling in love with her, that's apparent. You can say what you want, bitch, I don't care. I get fucked up, learn from my mistakes, I fucked up. I'm so sorry, babe, I've done wrong. You got me right all along. I look up in the sky, see your face in obsession. Objection, overruled courthouse. You're the judge now. Serve my time, babe, lock me down. I was blind till Cupid when it shot me down. These words taste like you as they come out. It's you I value, priceless value. I hope you play this on the highest volume. Show this to your friends, brag about me. Separated for a week and life was such a drag without. So I don't understand what I was thinking. No, I wasn't thinking, I was tweaking. I know you gave me this chance for a reason. Girl, I need to get dropped like McLaren. I can't help but to stop and stare. I ain't no grizzly, so I can't bear it. Her lips graze my facial hair. I think I would make a wonderful parent. All these niggas my sons anyway, oh yeah. Falling in love with her, that's apparent. You can say what you want, bitch, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I'm calling you bluff, too quick for ya. Knuckles money made, whether razor fist set eyes. Emeralds dancing on my body and they're all chaos. Can you keep up? I don't think it's enough. Yeah, I'm calling you bluff, too quick for ya. Knuckles money made, whether razor fist set eyes. Emeralds dancing on my body and they're all chaos. I don't need a car, I run really fast, really quick, really far. If I run through the past, see the cuts and the scars. That's why I keep running to keep me from falling apart. Falling apart. In order to get really far, gotta acknowledge where you are. Take off like a comet through the stars. In these rippers, see, I can feel like Sonic Hedgehog. Let your success slap him in the face. What they gon' do to you now? You great. Woke up today feeling great. So I called Sonic on the phone and said we should have a race. From the start to the finish, I'll be in the lead. No, never slow down and no pumping, no break. Remember what I said about radio waves? When the haters come around, just watch them away. I'm just winning and starting and running. I got them like humming, humming, humming. So I start running, can't do nothing but giving. Welcome to my work, fast life living. Gonna go fast, ayy. No way I'll be last place. When the shoes out the stash, ayy. The ones who's using gym class, ayy. Don't look at me like that. Dead fast, ayy. 3 steps in mine is like 200 on the dash, ayy. Can you keep up? I don't think it's enough. Yeah, I'm calling you bluff, too quick for ya. Knuckles money made, whether razor fist set eyes. Emeralds dancing on my body and they're all chaos. Extra, extra, read all about it. It's special. You bring the sun now when it's cloudy. Aggression. You the one that got me evolving. Digging through the pieces of my heart while you fix me. Yeah, I was broken, I was shut down till I found a new home. Living you now. I know it'll work out. Girl, you got me turned down. Fuck until we burnt out. Do it like you know how. Thought it was a hex on me till you fucked the curse out. Nobody try to go on me. They'll get more than cursed out. Love having you around. Love the way you hold me down. Kitty, I'm a drown. Get that macaroni sound. Had trouble breathing. It's because I need her for reasons beyond our comprehension. I forgot to mention love is an addiction, and I've been trying to get my fix on. Through your heart into the mix, baby, you're the shit. So the world we gon' shit on. I know you proud of me, reckon you prodigy. I'm a living legend of prodigy. Who as hot as me? Yeah, mix the weed with the pills. Who as hot as me? I'm gonna be a good day. All these niggas I'm following. She in my head, killing things that bother me. She in my bed, pulling, getting high with me. Let's hold hands, touch the sky with the others. Slow down, we get lit like a motherfucker. Oh yeah, tell me you can never have another lover that's real. Can't sit still. Yeah, that's how you make me feel. When we make love, I feel the thrill. Got me round, fair as well. Eyes wide, can't sit still. Yeah, that's how you make me feel. When we make love, I feel the thrill. Got me round, down till I found a new home. Living you now, I know where to work out. Girl, you got me turned down. Fucking till we burnt out. Do it like you know how. Thought it was a hex on me till you fucked the curse out. Nobody try to go on me, they'll get more than cursed out. Love having you around. Love the way you hold me down. And kitty, I'm a drown. Get that macaroni sound. Did you mean it? Did you mean it? She really burned me up inside, fiending. The love of my life. This is me and you, his and hers, Christian Lou. Traveling the world, taking drugs just to feel. You're more than my girl. You're my best friend in the whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my whole wide world. You're my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. Did you mean it? Did you mean it? She really burned me up inside, fiending. The love of my life. This is me and you. Traveling the world, taking drugs just to fuel. You're more than my girl. You're my best friend in the whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my whole wide world. You're my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're like a breath of you're like a breath of fresh air. You're like a breath of you're like a breath of fresh air. I can breathe, but baby, when you're not here, they can see it. You're like a breath of fresh air, fresh air. I need you to myself, yeah. I won't share. When I hold you, and it feels like I'm in Bel Air. Doesn't hurt to say I actually live in Bel Air, but it don't feel like Bel Air when you're not there. 'Cause I come back in the slums, gunshots in the air. PTSD, yeah, I have it. I'm not afraid to admit that. But you feel the void, yeah, you give me a piece of myself. I thought I would never give up. You see that? Not forever, girl. You have no choice but to be there. You're my addiction and my relapse. Been through my addictions and relapses. You heard what I said. I know the truth bleeds, not as much as I bled. I make the truth cry in thousands of tears. Truthfully, I just know you're right here. You're like a breath of fresh air. I can breathe, but baby, when you're not here, they can see you. You're like a breath of fresh air, fresh air. I need you to myself, yeah. I won't share. When I hold you, and it feels like I'm in Bel Air. Doesn't hurt to say I actually live in Bel Air, but it don't feel like Bel Air when you're not there. 'Cause I come back in the slums, gunshots in the air. This year, thought I found my true ride or die. This year, thought I'd fall in love and catch a vibe. This year, I remember when I thought I was gonna die. This year, yeah, all my pain, all my fears, all my hate, all my tears. Every time you come near, you just make them go away. On my knees, shedding tears, pray to God, hope He hears. Every time you come near, you make me go. Yeah, California cake, relocate, carry money for know how much I need my pay. All these dollars, so know how much I need my pay. Running them bands on, ayy. Go to Japan, I'm on the way. Sorry, I'm on the way. Merch, if he in the way. Sorry, fuck nigga, I don't play. Especially about this money chase. Need to buy another safe. I've been running out of space. Big box full of money with a heart full of pain. Hold me close, nigga get cold. Hold me up more. Pills got me froze. Bringing in a dough ride. You think it's a dope lie, but it come with a bad side. When everybody switch sides, you know what it feels like. To wonder if they real, to wonder if you real. Is any of this real? Thank God my baby keep me chill. Someone love it gives me chill. Fuck you and fuck the way you feel. They just judge. Feel like I'm in court still. All these niggas in they fields don't get time. Just for richer meals. In the dimes. $100 bills on my mind. Yeah, California cake, had to relocate. Girl, you mighty fine. Know how much I need my pay. All these dollar signs. Know how much I need my pay. Running them bands on, ayy. Going to Japan, I'm on the way. Sorry, I'm on the way. Merc, if he in the way. Sorry, fuck nigga, I don't play. Especially about this money chase. Need to buy another safe. I've been running out of space. Big box full of money with a heart full of pain. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. Life is unfair. It's been a long, cold year. It's been a while since I cared. It's been a while since I shared. Living in a dream, writing for my things. Driving and leading, moving. Life made of drugs. I love to bleed. Fighting my sleep demons, torturing me. Yeah, just wake up. Night terror, day terror. Frankly, I have had enough. Getting scared, running out of air. I feel like I can't breathe. When she there, make it easier for me to live. That's why she can't live. Wake up. It's a dream. I'm stuck, can't move a thing. I can't enjoy this life. It feels like I'ma die any second, any time. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. I live with no limits. I'm like a blimp. I live with no limits. Complicated everything but simple. show, only time. We'll tell on her for harsh, only time. But I know she mine. Okay, listen again. Here goes a list of accomplishments and a list of regrets. If your lady heard my tape, I promise I'm getting her wet. The way I live, I ain't no bosses. W ain't taking losses. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. Blood on the rose petals. Ever been killed in the meadow? The nights get cold, ghetto. Doing anything to keep the heat on. They tell us that we ain't special. Chip on my shoulder for that one. Now a nigga ball hard like I ain't one. No loss, I'm a boss, I'm a champion. Big dog, it's about time I took the leash off. It's a damn shame I'm above y'all. Kill 'em all while going through withdrawals. Big roll look too thick like Nicky. Car transform like my name with Ricky. Or was the name Taylor? Kill 'em all swiftly. Get rich or die trying like 50. And I got a chopper with a 50. Make it jump like a cricket, no Jiminy. Feel like saying I was jumping down the chimneys. Robbery, now I'm getting rich. I should go and buy a Mazda. Gas cost a grip, nigga. Highway robbery. Skate on the beat like my first name Ronnie. Brother still shooting up parties. I remember we were doing that out in Molly. Yeah, out on the rose petals. Ever been killed in the meadow? The nights get cold, ghetto. Doing anything to keep the heat on. They tell us that we ain't special. Chip on my shoulder for that one. Now a nigga ball hard like I ain't one. No loss, I'm a boss, I'm a champion. Blood on the rose petals. Ever been killed in the meadow? The nights get cold, ghetto. Doing anything to keep the heat on. They tell us that we ain't special. Chip on my shoulder for that one. Now a nigga ball hard like I ain't one. No loss, I'm a boss, I'm a champion. No loss, I'm a boss, I'm a champion. No loss, I'm a boss, I'm a champion. Chef J, Chef J. I cross my T's and dilate my eyes. I live with her in mind. They say live and lie.
This app feels illegal, but it's not. They're literally paying you to play games. All the other apps stall, glitch, or make up excuses to avoid paying you. Experiencia doesn't play games with your money. You earn, you cash out, period. Yes, real money, not fake coins, not useless points. Real payouts. Withdraw to PayPal, or grab Amazon or Walmart gift cards. Don't let this one pass you by. Download Experiencia and make your free time actually pay off.
Good. Great. Amazing. Excellent.
Anything that is a small screen, none of those things make me happy. sin. Ain't no fentanyl up in my hands. If I could end all little withdrawals, I would, but sadly I can't. Thinking back, it probably started with the vivans. Now I'm staring at action cotton in my hand. Rehab only ruined my plans. On the bright side, I'm making progression. I was taking 4, now I'm taking 1 less. Till I dry the codeine in the sun kiss. Said fuck it, got a pint and pour the whole shit. Addictions remind me of the summer. Mind you, I was younger, trying to kill my hunger, yeah. Addictions remind me of the summer. Mind you, I was younger, trying to kill